In today's video, we're going to look at how to install the Banyan Connector on Windows Subsystem for Linux. Windows Subsystem for Linux version 0.67.6 is available and now includes Systemd support. You will need to have Windows 11 to run this. As of September 30th, this version is only available as a pre-release in GitHub. The version of WSL that is on the Microsoft Store is 0.66, and that version will not work. First, download the installer and run it. You will also want to make a change to WSL.conf and make sure booting from the Systemd is set to true. Now simply continue the Banyan Connector install as normal. Copy the commands and run them. You now have a Banyan Connector running on an Ubuntu instance on your Windows 11 machine. Thank you.